In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload bank and credit card statements in PDF transactions into QuickBooks Online. Before we jump into the specifics, ensure you have your PDF statements ready to be uploaded and that your QuickBooks Online account is accessible. This process will help you seamlessly integrate your financial documentation into your QuickBooks Online account for better management and record keeping. Let's get started. First, you'll want to sign into your account. Head over to the QuickBooks Online website. Enter your credentials and then click on the Sign In button. This provides a secure entry point into your financial management software. By signing in directly, you ensure that your data remains protected and only accessible to you. Once logged in, select QuickBooks Online. You'll find this option in your account management panel. QuickBooks Online is like the digital command center for all of your financial operations. Choosing this ensures you have full access to the various features QuickBooks Online has to offer. Next, input your login credentials when prompted, make sure they are correct and click Continue. Remember to keep your login details secure. A note of advice, if you seem to have forgotten your password, QuickBooks offers a straightforward password recovery process. After successfully logging in, navigate over to the Transactions menu. This is where the magic happens. In the Transactions tab, you will be able to view all of your financial data. The Transactions option serves as the central hub for all income and expenses, giving you a clear overview of your business's financial health. Now you'll want to select Bank Transactions. This option is crucial because it leads you to the section where you can handle all bank-related entries. Under the bank transactions, you can see and manage all inflow and outflow of funds, ensuring that everything is captured accurately. Subsequently, choose the account you want to upload transactions to. This is an essential step because it ensures that the right transactions get into the right bank account. After selecting your desired account, navigate to the Link Account dropdown. It's there that you'll find the option to integrate new data into your existing records seamlessly. From the Link Account dropdown, select Upload from File. You can now move forward by either dragging and dropping or directly selecting the files you wish to upload. Locate your file by clicking Select Files and find the PDF statement you previously downloaded. It's important to ensure the file is the correct one and not corrupted or opened elsewhere to avoid uploading errors. Once your file is selected, hit Continue. You'll need to specify which transactions you'd like to import. This step gives you control over what data hits your books, letting you exclude any unwanted transactions. Finally, click Continue and proceed through any remaining prompts until the upload process is complete. You can now see your transactions imported into QuickBooks Online, ready for you to manage and reconcile. Congratulations! You've successfully uploaded your bank and credit card statement into QuickBooks Online, making your financial tracking much easier. Thank you for joining us today, and we hope this guide was helpful.